vloggers, today's video my tita is gonna make mango shake. Look, it's so shaky. We are gonna wait in 1 hour. I don't know what's the time is it. Girls and guys, it's so delicious. So, I want to taste it now, but I need to wait so it's blender correctly. I'm still shaking. The time is almost out. I so want to taste it. It's so delicious. Like 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 my tita is put the ganun. It's my turn. My ate is gonna try too. And we make two. And this is my one. Mhm. This is my one. I'm waiting. It's mine. I want to taste it now. Like girl, it's so delicious. Like you even not can senseless. It's almost the time though, but I would really like to try it already. And don't forget to subscribe to Artificial's Planet. And there's the drink going in my gun. And one day we gonna make some fries that I eat some mango and some fries and some juice. Goodbye, everybody.